Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make, there you go. Oh my gosh, I love it. So you can even see me, the lighting's so out of here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake liner. A cupcake liner flower. It's so cute, like, could you tell it's so cute? Okay, so the items you will need is, they're right here, as you can see. Right here is what you need, but I'm going to show you. So first, you need a stapler that has staples in it. Okay, you need staples. Okay, you need scissors. We need some better lighting. Okay, you need scissors, a stapler, scissors, stapler, and of course, you need, oh my gosh, I have so many of these, cupcake liners. There's so many in this stack, like, dudes. I'm going to show you the blue ones. You need 3 for this to work. You need 3. I start with the 4. You need 3 cupcake liners. Put all the rest away. And you need, whatchamacallit, like a skewer-like thing? Like, how do I say it? A pencil. And you need a pencil. And you need, I don't know, you just need that. And yeah. You need some design ones if you just want plain ones like I did for this one. You can. So first, okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to get your 3. I need a flat table, okay? I need a flat table. Okay, so you need yours, 3, and that's that. You flatten them like that. Just flatten. Fold it this way. Kind of like a taco, and then fold it this way. So it's kind of like a little raindropper, a little fan. And then what you're going to do, is get your scissors right here. And I'm going to cut, and so you can make some petals. Some simple petals, if you would like. So you have to do the petals or else it will not at all look like a flower. So do the petals. Promise it'll look good. If you try, follow along with me. So you make your petals. I know this kind of looks bad. But then what you're gonna do is find the spot that you started bending. So if the spot that you found is not the place, keep moving them until you find that spot. Like, how do I do it? Okay, so open them like that. Then open the other way, see if there's supposed to be mistakes that you made during this. And you see the lines that you have folded. That middle section, get your pencil, poke a hole. Well, you don't really need a hole, but you probably do. Poke a hole. Pull it out. Get the eraser side. Push it through here at the top. Push this whole flower down. Then right there. Get everything up here, as you can see. Get everything situated there. pull this off as careful as possible. Then you're going to get your stapler. Best of luck. Get your stapler. If you can find it, like I can't find mine. Okay, found it. So you get your stapler. And pinch the bottom part of your flower. Pinch it. Make sure all of your things are down there. And pinch it. Then you're going to get your stapler. Watch out, kids. Do not try this. Get your parents to staple it. Staple it. Oh, lordy. Staple it. And pull out those things, those petals, to make it fuller, thicker flower. And there you have it. You have a cute little flower. It's so cute. It is so cute. And it goes together. They're so cute together. Okay. So after you made those, you can be happy. So that's what I had to show you. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye!